Hello students, I'm here with another video from the chapter of class 7th Science NCERT book, that is chapter number 7th. The name of the chapter is Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. So children, before starting today's video, I would like to tell you all that till now what all things we have discussed in this chapter. So children, we have completed the explanation of this chapter where we have understood about what is the meaning of the word weather, then what is the meaning of the word climate, what is the difference between these, and what is the adaptation required, or is the adaptation being related with these climatic condition of any place or not. Okay, so children, we have studied about all these topics, as also I have discussed about the keywords, as well as the last part of the chapter was about the revision, or small revision kind of thing, which was what we have learnt in this chapter. So after that, we are left with only one part, that is the exercises of this chapter. Okay, so we'll be discussing about the exercises of this chapter, that is question number 1 from your NCERT book. So the question number 1 is, name the elements that determine the weather of a place. The elements that determine the weather of a place are, कौन कौन से हैं जो डिटरमाइन करते हैं? टेम्परेचर, rainfall, humidity, wind speed. Okay, so many are there, so you can write few of them. Okay, so this was about the answer for the first question. Then we move on to the second question, that is answer number 2. Answer number 2 is, when the maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to occur during a day. The maximum and minimum temperature of the day is recorded during afternoon. Okay, and minimum temperature is being recorded in the early morning of the day. So these are the two times at which the temperature is being taken. So the maximum temperature is always taken from the maximum and minimum thermometer when it is afternoon, and similarly when the minimum temperature is taken during the early morning. Now the next question is question number 3. Question number 3, or we are writing the answer, so we'll write down the answer 3. Okay, answer number 3. So answer number 3 is in fill in the blanks. The average weather taken over a long time is known as dash. So the answer is climate. Okay, the answer is climate. क्योंकि आपने जान रखा है पहले से, you know that what is the main difference in the weather and the climate of a particular place. The difference lies in the duration of a weather to become a climate. So how can it become a climate? It could become a climate when we take the record of past 25 years. We will see that only the same temperature, same type of rainfall pattern is there. At the same time, the wind speed is changing, or maximum and minimum temperature of a particular place is same for a average maximum and minimum temperature is same for a place for about 25 years. Okay, so if the answer is coming, that is not varying much. I mean, the maximum and minimum temperature are almost the same all around the year, and about 25 years it is same. So this is known as, this becomes a climate, and that particular weather is going to be the climate of that place. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर भी क्या कह रहा है कि जो 25 ईयर्स तक बहुत दिनों तक एक ही टाइप का वेदर परसिस्ट करता है, इट इज नोन एज डैश, इट इज नोन एज क्लाइमेट. ओके, देन सेकेंड नंबर इज a place receives a very little rainfall and the temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of that particular place is. Rainfall बहुत कम है, high temperature रहता है, so the climate is dry and hot. We can write even the temperature is hot and dry. Okay, the temperature is hot and dry. It is hot and dry. ठीक है? So this is hot and dry. Now the next topic is question number 3. The two regions of the earth where extreme climates are being found. थर्ड नंबर में क्या लिखेंगे? आपने अभी दो जगह के बारे में पढ़ा हुआ है जहां पे बहुत एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर होता है. दैट इज द ट्रॉपिक्स एंड द पोल्स. The polar regions. The two places where the extreme temperature is there is the tropical region and the polar region. So you can write down as the tropical region and the polar regions. तो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी पूछ रहा है कौन सी प्लेस है, तो वो ट्रॉपिकल प्लेस होगी और पोलर प्लेस होगी. ठीक है, एंड आंसर नंबर 3 इज कंप्लीट. नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. दैट इज आंसर नंबर 4. Indicate the type of weather in the following places. I think this won't be visible. I will rub it off to make some space. Question number 1. You can write down the answers in your copy, children, so that it will be a practice for you all. Now your copies are also corrected, so you can complete your work which is incomplete. Whatever mistakes are being written in your science notebook, you can find out from your book and complete it if it is not complete, and if it is wrong you can simply check it from your book and then complete, just correct it, and then again you can send it back when the next date would be there for copy corrections in your school. Okay, so you can send your copies to me when it is being called. So we move on to the next answer, that is answer number 4. It is saying that what are the climatic conditions which are being present. The first one is in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. What kind of climate is there? It is cold climate. Then B is केरला में कैसा क्लाइमेट होता है? केरला में कैसा क्लाइमेट है? केरला हैज हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट. हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट. ओके, क्योंकि केरला इज प्रेजेंट इन द कोस्टल एरियाज. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर कहाँ प्रेजेंट है? माउंटेनियस रीजन में. आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि माउंटेनियस रीजन का जो क्लाइमेट होता है दैट इज ऑलवेज कोल्डर इन इट्स नेचर. The next is Rajasthan. राजस्थान का क्लाइमेट कैसा? इट इज ऑलवेज हॉट एंड ड्राई. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट इज नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंडिया. नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंडिया. नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंडिया मतलब जो आसाम के साइड में जो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस हैं वो कैसी हैं? दैट इज वेट and humid. Okay, you can say wet climate is always present. So these are the different types of the climates which are present in the various places of India, where in Jammu and Kashmir we find the cold climatic regions. Then in Kerala, as it is present in the coastal areas, it has hot and humid climate. Then in Rajasthan, it is hot and dry climate. And lastly, in northeastern India is always wet. Okay, which of the following changes frequently, weather or climate? Answer number 5th. which changes frequently. Changes frequently. Weather or climate. So the answer is weather changes frequently. क्योंकि आपने डेफिनेशन में भी पढ़ा है, आपको मालूम भी है कि वेदर का मतलब ही होता है आज अगर क्लाउडी है अभी तो हो सकता है थोड़ी देर के बाद सन निकल आए, इट वुड बी सनी. अगर सुबह के समय में सूरज निकला हुआ है हो सकता है दोपहर के समय बारिश हो जाए. ओके, सो दिस इज अ डे टू डे चेंज. इट मीन्स दैट इट इज फ्रीक्वेंटली चेंजिंग. क्योंकि क्लाइमेट के लिए अगेन जस्ट हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में बात की थी, क्लाइमेट is a quantity which is present in the place for about 25 years. It is about 25 years. Yes. So this is the changes which is taking place frequently is the weather, whereas the climatic conditions are always present for a long time, for a long period of time. Okay. Now the next is the following are certain characteristics of animals. You have to match them with the three options of. For each characteristics indicate its adaptation of tropical rainforest or polar region. Do you think that some of these characteristics could be adapted for both? It could be adapted for both the regions, whether it is the tropical region or it is the polar region. ठीक है, तो अभी हमको क्या करना है, उसकी जो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस के जैसे हमें मैच करना है जो एनिमल्स हैं उनके फीचर्स के साथ. ठीक है, तो क्या फीचर्स हैं, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, दैट इज व्हाट आर द फॉलोइंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एनिमल्स. सो द फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज दिस इज आंसर नंबर 5. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज डाइट्स heavy on fruits. So this is the first question, that is this diets heavy on fruits. Okay, I'll write down first. Then second is white fur. Third is need to migrate. This is second. This is third. This is fourth. Loud voice. Fifth, sticky pads. Sticky pads on feet. Then next is sixth, layers of fat under skin. Then sixth, after this is seventh, white and large paws. Then eighth is bright colors. Then ninth is strong tail. And the last one is the long and the 10th is long and large beak. ठीक है, अब इसको हम सॉल्व करते हैं. यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस क्या दे रहा है, ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट में भी हो सकता है, पोलर रीजन में भी हो सकता है, या बोथ में हो सकता है. ट्रॉपिकल एंड पोलर रीजन्स दोनों के लिए ही अडेप्टेशन जरूरी है. तो यहाँ पर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डाइट्स हेवी ऑन फ्रूट. Fruits are present in the tropical rainforest. So this is the feature lies for the tropical animals of the tropical region. Animals of the tropical region like monkeys and all. Then white fur is present on the polar bear, as you have already read. It is present on the penguins, and both of them are in the polar regions. नेक्स्ट इज नीड टू माइग्रेट. नीड टू माइग्रेट का मतलब है ये भी कोल्डर रीजन्स में है, तो इट इज फॉर पोलर रीजन. नेक्स्ट इज लाउड वॉइस. लाउड वॉइस इज द ट्रॉपिकल It is for the tropical region. Then next is sticky pads on food. Again, this is for the tropical rainforest. Then layers of fat under the skin. Layers of fat under the skin is because of the animals which is present in the animals like polar regions, that is in the polar bear and the penguins. So the answer is polar regions. Then wide and large paws. Wide and large paws are present in the place of the tropical. No, this is present for the polar bear. So जो wide and large paws थे वो polar bears के थे. So this is the adaptation for the polar regions. Bright color तो ना तो polar bear का था, penguins के पास भी dark colors and bright colors, black color and white color था. Here bright colors are present in the tropical regions. Okay, tropical region का ही adaptation है, so you can write down as tropical animals or tropical region adaptation. Then last one is, the second last is strong tail, again for the tropical region. क्योंकि जो monkeys होते हैं उनको fruits के लिए बहुत सारे trees पर जाना होता है, and trees could be at a greater height, so their tail also supports them for climbing. Okay, the next is long and large beak. It's for the tropical region. Okay, it is for the tropical region. So this was about the question number 6. Now we move on to the next topic. So I think this might be clear that कुछ tropical regions के जो adaptations हैं, that could be which eat fruits, they have loud voice. Even loud voice तो दोनों जगह में काम आती है, tropical as well as the polar region, but mainly in the tropical regions. क्योंकि घना जंगल है तो वहाँ पर आवाज भी बहुत animals, roaring animals are present in the tropical rainforest, like the lion and the tigers, they will roar. So the loud voice is required to drive away the animals, to decrease the competition. So that is why these animals like lion and the tiger, they have a loud voice. ठीक है, तो loud voice का भी concept हमें मालूम होना चाहिए. क्यों loud voice है? Loud voice इसीलिए है क्योंकि एनिमल्स को अपना कंपटीशन कम करना है. तो अगर एनिमल्स को अपना कंपटीशन कम करना है तो उसके लिए उनके पास किसी चीज से तो डराने के लिए एनिमल्स को होना है, तो दैट इज देयर वॉइस. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. द ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट हैज अ लार्जर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स. एक्सप्लेन व्हाई इट इज सो. सो आंसर नंबर 7. Why tropical region animals, they have a very greater number of animals in it. तो क्यों है बहुत सारे animals? क्योंकि tropical regions में आपको पता होना चाहिए कि it supports life. Why it supports life? Because tropical region is having a higher population because it is having a hospitable climate. Okay, it is having, firstly it has a hospitable climate, which supports the life, which supports the life of animals, which supports life, which helps in the supporting, or which help in the supporting of life of the animals. And because of continuous warmth, क्यों support कर रहा है? क्योंकि humidity भी है और wetness भी है वहाँ पे animals के लिए. तो why it is supporting life? The temperature is mainly fruitful for the trees. I mean, this is mainly helpful in growth of the trees, just because of the proper warmth present है, rainfall present है, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है, ये animals के अंदर animals and plants आराम से grow कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this is what is about the temperature. This is what is about the rainforest, because of which they support life. Okay, so huge populations of plants and animals are found in the tropical rainforest just because they provide a proper temperature, they provide proper warmth, and which is very much suitable for the life of plants as well as animals. That is why they live in the tropical rainforest. Okay, then answer number 8. Answer number 8. The next question is, explain with examples why we find animals of certain kind living in a particular climatic conditions. So the animals which are living in the particular climatic conditions, because we find animals of certain kind living in a climatic condition, because animals of the, for example, because they are adapted for that place. The answer could be because these animals are adapted for the particular place. They are adapted for a particular place. ठीक है, climatic conditions. Now, for example, we can say that animals in the polar regions are adapted to extremely cold climatic conditions. So the animal in the polar region, animals are adapted for a life in the snow or in a very cold climate. कैसा है ये? क्योंकि animals, for example, क्या है, जो animals हैं उनके पास white fur है, insulation है fat का. Okay, so you can write down a number of adaptations of the polar region animals, so which can support your answer. They have a strong sense of smell. Then they have a layer of fat under the skin. They have large and wide paws. So that they could wade on the snow. And lastly, they are good swimmers, and even they could walk easily on the snow. Okay. Then animals of tropical rainforest. Then second आप example लिख सकते हो tropical rainforest का. ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट के एनिमल्स का एग्जांपल लिख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, द एनिमल्स लिव ऑन ट्रीज. They live on trees. They eat fruits. Then they could eat different types of varieties of fruits, they have a long tail. They have fruit eaters. They are sensitive hearing. They are long tailed. Okay, their beak are strong. ये सारे आप लिख सकते हो. Okay, for food, shelter and वहाँ पर उनको food and shelter मिल जाता है आराम से, तो इसलिए animals रहते हैं एक एक जगह के. Even यहाँ पे हमें दो चीजें पढ़नी है, that is polar regions and the tropical regions. So we will not give the examples of any other climate that could be from hot climate or wet regions. तो यहाँ पर हमको सिर्फ इतना पढ़ना है, तो हम इन्हीं दोनों में से examples देंगे. Okay, then after that we have to study about the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8 is over. Okay, question number 9. So I'll just rub it off first so that it has some space. You have to write the answers by writing the examples, because examples are going to support your answers. Okay, your examples are going to support your answers. The next question is question number 9. Answer 9 is, how do elephants living in the tropical rainforest adapted itself? So the animals living in the tropical rainforest, like elephant, they are adapted as follows. So आपको क्या करना होगा, जैसे आपने एक एनिमल बनाया है, पोलर बेयर बना करके उसको लिखा है, उसी तरह से आप बीच में एक एलिफेंट बनाएंगे और उसके अडैप्टेशंस को लिखेंगे. तो क्या अडैप्टेशंस हैं? फर्स्ट अडैप्टेशन इज एलिफेंट्स, they are adapted as they look. It is going to use its trunk for long trunk for lifting food, which helps in lifting food. Uses as nose also. It is sensitive to this strong sense of smell. Then और क्या adaptations हो सकती है एलिफेंट की? its tusks are strong to tear the bark of tree. ठीक है, bark of tree. Then elephant is able to handle the competition of food. ठीक है, competition of food. Then next it could be, next adaptations are large ears. They keep fanning from the ears. They also can have a temperature which is, it lowers the body temperature to regulate the temperature. Okay, then you can write down some more examples, like they eat leaves, okay, fruits. You can add all these examples. ठीक है. Now the next is choose the correct option for the answers. That is the first in this question is question number 10th. अच्छा, for this question which was as answer number 9, आप यहाँ पे ऐसे मैंने बॉक्स बना के लिखा है. आपको यहाँ पे you have to draw the diagram of elephant and then you have to mark all the adaptations on it. Okay. Then the last questions are choose the correct options. All these are MCQs questions. The first from this question is answer number 10th. Answer number 10th is answer 10th. Option only I'll write down. A carnivore with stripes on its body move very fast for catching its prey. It is likely to be found in एक ब्लैक स्ट्राइप्स हैं और ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट में फाउंड करेंगे क्योंकि वहां पर ही टाइगर्स रहते हैं. तो टाइगर्स की बात हो रही है तो ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. आंसर इज 4th. अमंग द ऑप्शंस आर पोलर रीजन, डेजर्ट रीजन, ओशन. तो डेजर्ट पोलर रीजन में ऐसा कोई एनिमल नहीं है जहां पे ब्लैक स्ट्राइप्स हो, तो स्ट्राइप्स नहीं है, पेंगुइन पे स्ट्राइप्स नहीं होती हैं. डेजर्ट रीजन में भी ऐसा एनिमल नहीं है जो कि फास्ट मूव कर रहा है और अपने प्रे को कैच कर रहा है. इट इज ओनली द ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. द आंसर इज 4th, which is tropical rain forest. Okay. Then the next is answer number 11th. Which of the features are adapt polar bears to live in extremely cold conditions? So the options are a white fur, fat below the skin, keen sense of smell. This is option number A. Option number 2 is thin skin, large eyes and a white fur. No. The third is a long tail, strong claws. Yes. Long tail no, but last one is wide and large paws. ये है, but एक नहीं match कर रहा है, so this is again a wrong answer. Then the last is 4th point, that is white body. Yes. Paws for swimming. Yes. Gills for respiration. So gills are not present क्योंकि ये तो land animals है, पानी के अंदर में नहीं रहता है. So this is also wrong. So the answer is the option number 1st. The answer is it is having a white fur. It is having a white fur. Then it has a fat below skin. Fat below skin. And the last is gills for, this is for keen sense of smell. Keen sense of smell. Okay, so this is the right answer. Then answer number, was answer number 11. Answer number 12 अब हम देखते हैं. Which option is best describing the tropical region? First is hot and humid, moderate temperature, heavy rainfall, cold and humid, hot and dry. So the answer is first, which is hot and humid. Okay, which is hot and humid. Answer number 12. That इसका ऑप्शन क्या होगा? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन जिसमें हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड है, क्योंकि ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं जहां पर हमेशा ऐसे जगह है ट्रॉपिकल रीजन, दैट इज ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. is a place where always rainfall happens, and due to which what happens, the rainfall is present, and rainfall की वजह से जो एरिया है पूरा वेट हो जाता है, एंड ऑल्सो the animals, they have to live always on the trees. Okay children, so this was about the chapter of your NCERT book, that is chapter number 7, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. Okay, so this was all about your chapter. I have discussed a lot about many things in this chapter. So children, now you all have to complete the question answers in your copy and get your copies corrected when you will send it in your school. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I will meet you all in the next video. Till then, you can complete your work, draw all the diagrams, you can write down few questions like the examples of penguins. You can write down the adaptations of penguins. Extra question में आप लिख सकते हैं इसको. You can complete them. You can define various things. Then what is the difference between weather and climate? And lastly, you can write down why do the birds migrate. You could write down the answers for all these questions. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I will be meeting you all in the next video with the next topic to be discussed.